Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome to another video. This is again part of socializing and getting Bruno the training of meeting different people and different places. So every Friday we do family night. There he is. So every Friday we do family night, and usually Caitlin's mom come to our home. But today, since we want Bruno to see different places and meet different people, so we're gonna go and introduce Bruno to Caitlin's mom's house. Today is day 5 of Bruno, so we're gonna see how he reacts to new place. You ready to go, buddy? Yeah, yeah. Is that you or what? Caitlin is driving, Bruno is with me, sitting nicely. We are going to Chipotle to get our dinner. We're gonna pick it up from there, and then we're gonna go to our mom's house and see how things go. He's so nice. Look at him. He wants to see outside. Made it to Chipotle. Caitlin took over. I'm gonna go inside and get our order. Mask is on. Look at the mask. My mask also has dogs. Got the order picked up. It's very nice system. They just put it on the shelf and you pick it up based on your thing. They had it under Jagani instead of the dish. Made it safely. Yeah. He was a little nervous in the middle, but then now he knows that we made it.
To get out of the car.
Okay.
Whoa.
That's the books.
Oh yeah, you want to read the Bible? And there's Jesus calling. Very good.
You wanna go out? That's shoes you don't.
Yeah, they stink.
Not supposed to eat.
Hard enough.
Not supposed to eat. No. Good boy.
He's so good. Cute. Just a little grassy here. So Robin's, which is just deserved. Hey, you can, yeah. Hi. Brandon rolling the dirt.
I know a lot of you are gonna be like removed from his leash, but I am not sure how he's going. He's just gonna go crazy, so that's why I want to make sure that I let him explore before I let him go off leash. It opens this way. Good boy. Let's go. Good boy. No plants. Don't eat any plants. Okay? What is it? Good boy. Let him explore. Yeah. Let's go in this room. This is our TV room. We are gonna be eating here and watching. We're gonna be watching. Today we're gonna watch Akshay Kumar's Gold movie because Caitlin and her mom both haven't watched it, so we're gonna watch it. And Bruno most likely is gonna fall asleep. I guarantee that.
Don't show Grandma your toy. God. What's that? It has little scrolls. Oh, let me see. Let me see. Oh, I want it. It's my toy. Bruno, you found this online?
Yeah.
So they have a lot of different ones. It's so smart. You can throw it down the hall like we did with Chloe. Yeah. Woo. Good. Bruno! I see him right now. Oh, you want to go get it? You want this? You want this? Go get it. Go get it. Okay. Go get it. Go get it. Go get it. Get her. Get Caitlin, Bruno. Get Caitlin. Get her. Get her. Get her. Aw. He's a super dog. Super dog.
You're so lazy.
What a good helper.
You're so lazy. Get up. Get up. Get up. He just wants me to drag you. He just wants me to drag you.
He gives a little effort.
He's liking it. He's like, yeah.
Oh, this is like 3D version. It's like jumping up.
So lazy. Get up. Get it, Bruno. Get it. Get it. Stop kisses. Here we go. Fall asleep. Good.
Fell asleep on the car ride home. Bruno, you ready to go inside?